Hi everyone, thank you for clicking on this video. So this is a video all about wash and go maintenance. I show you literally exactly what I do to my hair every single day to maintain my wash and go. I show you my nighttime routine, how I sleep. So yeah, it's super informative but super simple at the same time. My hair care is simplicity. So yeah, if you've been needing help in maintaining your wash and go throughout the week, then stay tuned. Let's get into it. Okay, so it is day one. What I've just done is washed my hair and applied my wash and go products. If you're interested to see the products that I did use, then it will be in my previous video, which I will link up in the cards as well. As you can see, it's all still wet and very defined because the products have just been applied. All I'm going to be doing today is allowing my hair to air dry. I'm not doing anything else. Apply the products and do nothing else. Usually for a wash and go, I wash my hair on a day where I'm not going anywhere because I struggle to get my hair to look good on day one. I struggle to get my hair to dry and then style and look good all on day one. I like to air dry for at least 24 hours. So I always wash my hair in time for that. It's a sunny day, so I'm going to sit outside and let it air dry out in the sun. And then I will be back later this evening to show you exactly what I do before I sleep. So right now I look like an actual mushroom. This is what my hair looks like when it shrinks up and dries. So my hair is pretty much completely dry because I've been out in the sun and it's quite a warm day, so it's dried quicker than normal. And this is what I'm looking like. So I look kind of crazy. Definitely wouldn't step out of the house looking like this. Which is why I say I never go out on wash day. Like I never go out on the first day of a wash and go. It's always day two that is the first day that I go out, because otherwise I'll be walking around looking like this. I'm about to hop into bed, so what I'm going to do before I do that is I get a satin bonnet. I'm not going to put my hair into a ponytail or anything like that. I'm just going to kind of flip it back, give it a little, just a little stretch with my hands just to loosen it all up. Give it a shake. I'm going to get my satin bonnet, which I will link below, and I kind of just put it on as if I'm putting on a hat and make sure that all my hair is tucked in. Oh! So I tuck it in like that, and I also sleep on a satin pillowcase just for some extra protection. This doesn't come off, but like just in case it comes off, I would want to be on a satin pillowcase as well, which I will also link down below. They're from the same place. And then I go to sleep and I'll come back in the morning to show you exactly what I do. Okay, so it is day two. I've just woke up. I know my hair looks crazy underneath here, so let's go. Oh, I literally just look like someone's man right now. You can see my hair is super defined, but it is very shrunken and squished from being in the bonnet, but that's fine because we're going to sort that out now. So day two, I don't apply any product to my hair, nothing at all. All my products were applied yesterday. My hair still feels very moisturized, so there's no need to add any more product. In order to stretch my hair out so I don't go out the house looking absolutely insane, what I'm going to do is go around with my blow dryer, medium heat, medium speed, stretch it stretch it at the roots, go like this, and then also go around with a wide tooth comb or an afro pick to fluff my hair out to get extra volume. I'm not going to show that on this video, but if you do want to see exactly how I do that, then check out my previous video, my previous wash and go video, where I show exactly what I do in order to go from this to this. I feel like I haven't quite mastered the wash and go yet in terms of like styling and stuff. Like I don't know how to style all the front bit, but this is what we're working with for now. As you can see, it is a lot more stretched than what it was in the last clip. My hair, I can still feel the product on it. My hair still feels very moisturized, so I'm not applying any product today. So yeah, like I said, I haven't mastered the wash and go yet, so I feel like it looks different every single time I do it. So sometimes I'll be happy with it on day one, and if so, then I'll wear my hair out like this and I'll go out and about. Whereas sometimes, like today, I don't know, there's something about it that I'm not really feeling. So if that is the case, what I do on day one, I do this a lot of the time actually on day one, is I actually put my hair up in a puff. a loose puff without using any brushes or anything to slick it up. I literally just put it up on top of my head with a satin scrunchie and rock my hair in a puff for the first day. This then helps stretch my hair even more. I feel like I get a better shape because it's been up on top of my head. I get a bit more volume, a bit more stretch, a bit more movement. So then the following days I feel like my hair looks better. So I'm not feeling my hair today, so I'm going to put my hair up in a puff, and this is how I do that. So then, as you can see, no gel, no nothing. It's kind of like a messy puff, you know, I've got some curls sticking out the back, but that's completely fine with me. And I know you probably think I'm crazy for putting my hair up in a puff on like completely fresh hair, but I don't like first day hair. Like, I don't like the first day that I rock it out. I know this is day 2, but first day hair because it's the first day that I'll actually wear it. I just never like first day hair, so I love first day hair up in a puff because it's so defined. It just looks like a cute little puff. But in terms of wearing it down, I don't like it. So to me, it's not a waste, me putting it up, especially because I know that it's going to stretch out and make the following days look even better when I do wear it down. So yeah, this is me on day 1, and I will be back later this evening to show you exactly what I do when I go to sleep, because it is slightly different to what I did yesterday. Okay, so it is the end of day 2. My hair is still super duper defined. The shape and everything looks a bit crazy because obviously it's been up in a puff, but that will be fixed tomorrow. To sleep, what I do is I get a satin scrunchie. I pull it back up on top of my head. And then what I do with the scrunchie is I just loop it around once, but I make sure that it's kind of tucked into a bun. So I do this and then loop it back like that, just like that. So it's nice and loose, but my ends are still tucked in. And then, as usual, what I do is I just grab my satin bonnet, pop it on, and then I go to sleep. So yeah, that's all for day 2. I will see you tomorrow for day 3. Okay, so it is day 3. Let's take this down. This is what it looks like. Take it down, shake it out. Give my head a little bit of a scratch. Oh, that feels so good. I like instantly, even though I haven't done everything that I'm going to do, I can already tell that my hair is going to look good today. See, I told you. I knew you were doubting me. I knew you had a little bit of doubt, but I told you. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Even just with that. I mean, I still have issues around the front. We still haven't figured that part out yet. But, you know, that's fine. Then I'm just going to go around with my wide tooth comb. You can use an Afro pick if you want. There's not really a big difference. I just prefer, like, I just find it easier using a wide tooth comb. And all I'm doing this for is to just get some shape back. So I'm just kind of gently, particularly on the back, because the front is still quite round, but the back for me tends to get a bit flat. So I'm just gently picking it, getting some roundness back, giving it a shake, kind of pulling it in the direction that you want it to sit. And what I do to try and avoid frizz, I pick up the top layer and then fluff from underneath, because then the top layer stays defined but you still get the volume. So lift up the top layer, fluff from underneath, let the top layer back down, and then we are done. Okay, so literally I've not cut out any footage. You've seen everything that I've just done to my hair. Super quick and easy. So it's day 3. I'm still not going to apply any product. My hair still feels very moisturized. I like to, especially with wash and goes, I like to not apply product where possible, because I feel like the more product you apply, the more it affects the curls, and like it affects it in a negative way, like it will make it more frizzy. So if you just leave it as it is, like, we don't need to disturb the curls, because look, they are so defined. What? The back of my head is always slightly less defined, but that's completely fine to me. It's just different textures. and I don't really have an issue with the different textures, so that's fine. Tonight to sleep, I'm going to do the exact same thing that I did yesterday, so put it up in a satin scrunchie and a loose bun on top of my head, put on my satin bonnet and go to sleep. So yeah, I'll be back tomorrow and show you what my hair's looking like tomorrow. Hello guys, it is day 4. I'm always forgetting where we're at. So let's see what's going on. You can see my little short curlies at the back are trying to break free. So let's let the rest of my hair down. Give it a shake. So just with a little bit of shaking and fluffing, this is what my hair is looking like. What I am going to do is go around with my wide tooth comb again. I literally do this every day just to reshape it. Okay, so this side I have used the wide tooth comb on. You can see it's kind of like just more of like a uniform round shape, whereas this kind of a bit flat down here. So I'm just going to do the same on this side as well. And I don't just fluff at the roots, I do bring the comb a little bit further down. I find only fluffing at the roots can make me look like a bit of a mushroom. And this is what my hair is looking like on day 4. So similar to my weekly braid out routine, as you can see, this wash and go routine is very, very minimal. I don't do very much at all, especially when it comes to applying product. I don't apply product every day. I do not apply product every day. It's day 4 and I'm not applying any product today. Tonight again, I'm going to put it up on top of my head, sleep with a satin bonnet on a satin pillowcase, and I'll be back for day 5. Hi guys, it is day 5. Let's take this hair down. Oh, this feels so good. You know what? This wash and go. I feel like this video is proving more boring than what I thought it was going to be, because I thought I was going to be doing more to my hair, but I think it's because this is the first wash and go I've done on my hair since I've had it cut. So obviously my ends are a lot healthier, my whole hair in general is just healthier, so I'm having to do a lot less than what I anticipated based on like past wash and goes that I've done, because by now usually I would have added more products. I maybe would have even put it up in a puff already, but it's like, it's looking good. Do you know what I mean? I'm on day 5 and I haven't applied anything. All I've done, as you've seen, is just taken my hair down and fluffed it out each day. So I'm going to do half up, half down. So my curls are still going to be out, but all this is going to be up and off my face. Okay, so it doesn't show as much on camera, but around the edges of my hair is looking a little bit frizzier than what I thought it was going to. So what I'm going to do is go in with my Palmer's leave-in conditioner, which is one of the spray-on leave-ins. That's like a liquidy consistency. So I kind of use this as you would water, like, you know, sometimes you spray your edges with water before doing anything to it. I spray it with a leave-in conditioner. So I'm just going to put a really tiny amount of that all the way along and rub it in. If you want, you can use brushes. I'm not actually going to use any brushes. I'm just going to use my hands. Then I'm just going to take this out and put this into a proper ponytail. Because I didn't use any brushes or anything to slick it down, I do just want to tie it down with a satin scarf just to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere. I'm not really going for a perfect look, but I would prefer if it stays, you know, somewhat tidy around the front. This is what it's looking like. This top bit of my hair always stays like perfectly defined throughout the whole week. The rest of my head, not so much, but you know, still doing pretty well. So yeah, this is day 5. Again, still haven't applied any product apart from putting it on my edges, but throughout the whole of my head. Still feels nice, soft and moisturized, so I'm not going to apply anything. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for day 6. Hey guys, so it is day 7. I skipped day 6 because yesterday I literally didn't leave the house at all, so my hair stayed like this in my bonnet all day. So day 7, It's been a full week. My front of my hair always stays defined like this. This is like the loosest, silkiest texture, like this chunk of hair here. But then the rest you can see, oh, it always looks more defined on camera, but the rest of my hair isn't as defined as that. You can see there's like some frizzy bits, and especially on the back. To be honest, it does feel like it feels moisturized still. I don't really need to apply product, but what I'm going to do is just grab the leave-in conditioner that I used when I initially styled my hair, grab a little bit of that, and I'm just going to scrunch that through the ends of my hair. And around the perimeter. So it's day 7, and this is the first time that I'm actually moisturizing like the length of my hair. Today, I don't want to wear my hair down. I want it up out of my face. The weather is shit, it is raining, so I'm going to put my hair up into a puff. And to do that, I'm going to grab the Palmer's leave-in that I used before and dampen the perimeter of my head with that. And then here I'm kind of using my fingers to brush my hair up on top of my head. And then I gently pull on the ends of my hair just to make sure that all my hair is going up in one direction. Then I just put it in a loose bun like this so that I can slick my hair down properly. So I'm grabbing the Camille Rose Curl Maker Gel. I just use 1 pump of that and apply it around the edges. This time I am going to use a brush to brush my hair up, especially on the back, because this part is like so thick. I don't want to have a bump on the back of my head. So I'm only very gently doing it. It's not necessarily going through every layer of hair, but just to make it look a little bit more tidy. And then I go in with a slick brush to slick it all back up. And this is what the puff looks like. So I'll give you a little close-up. As you can see, the curls at the back are a little less defined than the curls at the front, but you know, that's fine. That's just the different textures that I have on my hair, so I just learned to work with it. I much prefer what I look like with my hair up like this and with my hair down. I always have. Wearing my hair down is actually my least favorite way to wear my hair. But anyway, if I did want to continue my wash and go and like wear my hair down and everything again, what I would do is refresh my hair tomorrow on day 8. I do already have a video showing how I refresh my wash and go, so if you are interested in that, then check that out. I will link it up here somewhere. But yeah, for now, for this week, I'm not going to be refreshing my wash and go. I'll probably wear my hair in a puff like this tomorrow, and then after that I'm going to wash and then go on to a different style. So yeah, as you probably gathered from my more recent videos, I'm really going for simplicity with my hair these days. Although this may be a little bit boring, but I hope you found this helpful. This is literally, I've shown you exactly, and I've shown you everything and exactly what I do to my hair day to day when having a wash and go. So super simple, barely any product, not every day refreshing, not applying product every day, just keeping it simple. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. If you do have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I will be sure to get back to you. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Also, if you do have any video suggestions that you want me to do, drop them in the comments as well, because that will be really helpful so that I am giving you exactly what you need. So yeah, thanks guys. See you in my next video. Bye.